Hi students, in the last class we were discussing about Dr. Dolittle, that is Dr. John Dolittle, and we have seen how the doctor loves animals more than people, and how once a lady was chased away by the animals present in Dr. John's home. Here we saw when a lady visited for rheumatism. Rheumatism is nothing but pain in the joints of the bones. How the animals chased away the lady. Today we shall continue the same chapter, that is Dr. Dolittle. Then his sister Sarah Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle has a sister name called Sarah Dolittle. Sarah Dolittle, and it is sister. And she is the sister of Dr. John Dolittle. Came to him and said, "John, how can you expect sick people to come and see you when you keep all these animals in the house?" See, when there are animals in the house, you can't expect any other relatives or any other to come to home, because there are sometimes people are very much afraid of the animals. Sometimes people are very much afraid of the animals that they stop coming or that they stop visiting to the house. Here, even Sarah also says, how can you expect people to come to your house? It's a fine doctor who would have his parlor full of hedgehogs and mice. And how can you expect people? Because rather than people at home, you have animals, and that are not calm and kind animals. They chase away the people. They bite them. They trouble them. That's the fourth person these animals have driven away. And after the lady, 4 members, they came to visit a doctor as they were not feeling well, but these animals chased them away. Squire Jenkins and the parson say they wouldn't come near your house again. Squire Jenkins. Squire Jenkins and parson. Parson is the priest, that is the head of the Christian priest, a padri. Both these persons will not even come near to your house. No matter how sick they are, we are getting poorer every day. But Sarah says, day by day we are getting poorer and poorer. We don't have a penny to eat it. If you go on like this, none of the best people will have you for a doctor. If you are like this only, treating the animals and caring them, you are not following your practice, you are not following the profession, what you have become, then nobody will have you as a doctor. But I like these animals better than the best people, said the doctor. He says, I don't like the best people, but I love these animals. You are ridiculous, said his sister, and walked out of the room. She says, you are very much ridiculous. You are a fool. I can't help you. You are stupid. And she walks out of the room. So as time went on, the doctor got more and more animals. As the time was passing, the doctor was getting more and more animals. And the people who came to see him got less. As the animals were increasing, the people were decreasing. Till at last he had no one left except the cat's meat man, who would bring the cat's meat man. मतलब जब हम लोग कोई गोश्त खरीदने जाते हैं तो हम लोग बिल्लियों के लिए हम कुछ अलग से जो वेस्ट गोश्त रहता है हम वो लेके आते हैं. वैसे ही Dr. Dolittle was left only by a cat's meat man who didn't mind any kind of animals, but the cat's meat man wasn't very rich and he got sick only once a year. And he would visit, but not as a patient, but he would get sick. Since once in a year he would get sick, and he can't earn from that one patient who visits once in a year. At Christmas time, when he used to give the doctor 6 pence for a bottle of medicine, only when there is a Christmas time, he would get sick and he would give 6 pence or 6 rupees per year. That is not sufficient for a family to be around. 6 pence a year wasn't enough to live on. Even in those days, long ago, and if the doctor hadn't had some money saved up in his money box, no one knows what would have happened. And he says, as a doctor, as a person, everyone must have something, some amount, so that they could aram se lead their life. And he kept on getting still more pets, and of course it cost a lot to feed them, and the monkey he had saved up became less and less. As he was investing on the animals, whatever the amount he had, it was drained off. जो भी उनके पास पैसा था सारा खत्म हो रहा था। एंड जैसे जैसे वो एनिमल्स लेके आ रहे थे वैसे वैसे उनके पैसे खर्च हो रहे थे और उनके पास कोई भी आमदनी बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी। Then he sold his piano. Then what he sells? He sells his piano. He sells his piano and let the mice live in a bureau drawer. See here, you can see there's a piano here. There's the piano and the mice. That's the plural of mouse. Mice are here. He sells this piano and let the mice lives in a bureau drawer. Let the animals be in the drawer of the dressing table. But the money he got for that too began to go. So he sold the brown suit he wore on Sundays and went on becoming poorer and poorer. When he had left with no money, he started to sell his belongings, his clothes, his utensils, whatever he had at home, sofas, piano and everything. As he started selling, he became poor and poor. And now when he walked down the street in his high hat, people would say to another, "There goes John Dolittle MD. There was a time when he was the best doctor in the West Country. Look at him now. He hasn't any money and his stockings are full of holes." As soon as, at the beginning of the chapter, we saw that as soon as he walked down the street, people would appreciate it. People would praise him because he's a doctor. But look at the time now. There are no patients visits. There are no patients who goes and visit him, but he is left with no money and his stockings and the socks which he was wearing is full of holes. As there was no money, he can't even mend his shoes, right? But the dogs and the cats and the children still ran up and followed him through the town, the same as they had done when he was rich. But apart from people, the animals, they would give the same love and unconditional love from the children and animals even to this day. When he has left with no money, dog, cat and the animals, they follow him, they rush towards him. This is all about Dr. John Dolittle. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. And love the animals, love kindness. If you have any doubt, contact me through WhatsApp. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.